Hello everyone, do you want to be superhuman or be free? What do I mean? We're doing a comparison of Superhuman and Beefree, the ultimate productivity showdown. One is a lightning fast email client and the other is a drag and drop email designer. Which two deserves a spot in your workflow? Let's break it down. When it comes to their primary use, Superhuman is primarily used for email management, speed, and triage, while Beefree is used for email and landing page design. So they both have different needs. When it comes to speed, Superhuman is blazing fast. It has keyboard shortcuts and AI search, while Beefree is moderate, but it has visual drag and drop. So we all know that Superhuman wins this round. When it comes to design flexibility, Superhuman uses minimalist UI, while Beefree uses 1,200 plus templates and customization. So Beefree definitely wins this round. When it comes to AI features, Superhuman has AI drafts and reminders and search, while Beefree has basic AI for copywriting. Superhuman wins again. When it comes to collaboration, Superhuman has team comments and shared drafts, while Beefree has real-time co-editing and commenting. So it's a tie. When it comes to pricing, Superhuman costs about $30 plus a month, while Beefree has a free plan, and if you want, you can pay $25 plus a month. So Beefree is definitely best because it's budget friendly. When it comes to integrations, Superhuman integrates with Gmail and Outlook, while Beefree integrates with about 15 plus ESPs like MailChimp and HubSpot. Then lastly, mobile app. When it comes to mobile app, Superhuman has a mobile app, iOS, Android, while Beefree is usually web-based, so there's no dedicated app for it. So the winner here is Superhuman again. In conclusion, you pick Superhuman if you hate slow email and want AI-powered efficiency, but choose Beefree if you design eye-catching emails and landing pages fast. Pro tip: you can use both. Use Superhuman to send and Beefree to design. So which two wins your vote? Smash like if this helped. Subscribe for more battles and go conquer that inbox. See you in the next video.